Hi guys, let's have a look another speed limit trap on your driving test. This is gonna be a Newsham park, so general feeling coming into the park, it can't be 30 miles an hour. Unfortunately it is, and it's gonna catch you out on your driving test if you don't know about it. So let's go and have a look at this road. Now everyone thinks going into the park is gonna be a 20 mile an hour speed limit, and this is where people get it wrong, and examiner's gonna mark you down for not making progress. Now we will be turning right into the Newsham Park. The road we are on now is a 30 mile an hour road, and as we're coming up to this right turn, there's no signs telling us about the speed limit. So that means the speed limit carries on onto the new road, which would be 30 miles an hour. This road is 30 mile an hour road, and we need to build up that speed and make some progress. You could come into the Newsham Park from the side ahead of us. I'm just gonna add some footage here. The next right turn takes us into the Newsham Park. As there is no signs at the entrance of the roads, that means speed limit is 30 miles an hour. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. See you on the next video.